Hello guys, in this video, I'll be guiding you through the step-by-step process of installing Git on a Windows 11 computer. Whether you're a beginner just getting started with version control or a developer looking to set up Git on a new system, this tutorial will help you get up and running quickly and easily. So let's dive right in and get Git installed on your Windows 11 machine. First, open your web browser and in Google search bar, type Git and press enter. You should see the official website at the top of the results. Click on that link to open the Git official site. Once you're on the Git homepage, scroll down just a bit and you'll see a section displaying the latest version available for Windows. Click on the Download for Windows button to proceed. This will take you to the download page. There, simply click on the Click Here to Download link. The download for the latest version of Git tailored for your Windows system will begin automatically. Now, let's wait for the download to finish before moving on to the installation steps. Now, open the download folder, right-click on the downloaded file and select Open to start the installation. Once the Git installer launches, you'll first see the license agreement screen. Then click Next to continue. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the installation location. By default, Git will be installed in a recommended directory, and it will require around 344 megabytes of disk space. It's best to leave this as it is and simply click Next. Now, you'll see the Select Components screen. Here, several installation options are available. I recommend checking the box for additional icons if you want a Git shortcut on your desktop. After that, click Next. The installer will now ask if you want to create a Start menu folder. Leave it as it is and click Next. In the following step, you'll need to choose the default text editor that Git will use. If you don't have a default code editor installed, don't worry. You can easily install one like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code. In this tutorial, we'll be installing Notepad++. To get started, open a new tab in your web browser and search for Notepad++. Click on the link to the official Notepad++ website. Once you're on the home page, click the download button. Then click on the Download Notepad++ link, which will take you to the download page. Finally, click the green download button and the download will begin automatically. Once the download is complete, run the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application on your computer. After installing the code editor, return to the Git setup window, click the back button, then click Next, and from the list of available editors, select your preferred code editor. In my case, it's Notepad++, then click Next. At this step, you'll need to choose a name for the initial branch in NuGet repositories. I'm selecting the second option, which allows me to override the default branch name. Once selected, click Next. Now it's time to configure the path environment. The recommended option is Git from the command line and also from third-party software. Keep this default selection and click Next. Next, you'll need to choose the SSH executable Git will use for secure connections. We'll stick with the default option, use bundled open SSH, and then click Next. For the HTTPS transport backend, use the OpenSSL library, which is recommended for validating server certificates. Click Next to continue. Now you'll be asked to configure line ending conversions. Since we're on a Windows system, it's best to keep the default option. Check out Windows style, commit Unix style line endings. Click Next. In the next step, you'll configure the terminal emulator to be used with Git Bash. Again, we'll go with the default option, use min-tty and click Next. For configuring the default behavior of Git pull, we'll keep the recommended setting. Default fast forward or merge and then click Next. Now you'll select a credential helper. The default option, Git Credential Manager, works well for most users. Leave it selected and click Next. At the next screen, you'll see an option to enable file system caching. It's checked by default and we'll leave it that way, then click Install. Once the installation is complete, you can optionally check the box to launch Git Bash immediately. A desktop shortcut will also be created. Finally, click Finish to complete the setup. Now go to the Windows search bar, type cmd, and open the command prompt. In the terminal window, type git and press enter. If you see the Git version information appear, that means Git has been successfully installed on your Windows 11 system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest tech tutorials and how-to guides. Your subscription helps us grow and motivates us to keep delivering high-quality content just for you. Also, feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.